guys, hope you're doing good. Welcome to H&M Tech Tutorial, and I will show you how to create a Gmail account quickly and easily. So let's get started. So first of all, you can open your any of your favorite browser. So I will open Chrome browser here, and you can simply type create account here. So like create a Gmail account. So once you will type create Gmail account, you will get a Gmail official website, and simply navigate to bottom and you can see two options here, create an account and type Google Workspace. So you can click on create an account if you want to create a new account. So once you will click over here, and you can see that it will redirect you in the email option, and if you have any previous email you can simply type here and log in your Gmail account. But in this video I will tell you about how to create a Gmail account. Let's get created a new account. So you can click directly here on create account, and here you can see different options for personal use, for my child, or for my business. So one thing I will tell you, for businesses you can create a different email accounts. So we are just creating this account for my personal use. So I will just click on my personal use. Once I will click, so you can simply type any name here. So I will type like my name is Harris, and I will type my last name is Ali. So that's it, and you will type here the basic information like your date of birth, and I will just select my date of birth like 24 and year like 2009. So here in gender option you can select any gender. So now it will redirect you to your email account. So you can type here your favorite email address. So I will type like Harris Ali, and I will just create it on randomly. So just want to tell you how to create a Gmail account. Your password get matched, then you will able to run your account. So let's check it. Now finally it's work, and this is the final step where you can verify your phone address, because you will get an OTP on your phone. So you can put your email here, but its option is not showing, and it's also not secure. So you can simply enter your phone number. So for your recovery where you get OTP, so I simply type any phone number here. So let's check it's working. So you will get an OTP on your phone number which you have entered. So I'm just putting my OTP. Now let's see it's created or not, and you will enter any of your recovery email address. So it's compulsory and required. If your email is crashed, and you can access your email data, all your files like your Google Photos and all your data which you have saved in your email, you can address by using this recovery email address. So I will skip it for now, but you can mention any of your email address here. So as you can see, my details are shown here. So you can click on next step, and you can just click on agree, and your account is created.